The archipelago is really into our skin. The nature is
quite magic.
When we were kids, everyone put their old boats on the ice, drilled a hole in it, and when the ice melted, the boat sunk. We can't just let them laying there, because it's leaking oil, and that kills our birds and our fish, destroying the nature for our families.
We had to do something, and we had to do it together. In the beginning, people didn't listen to what we would like to say about the boats and the problem. They were more thinking about the fact that we were two girls and for them in a wrong business.
But we wanted to find a solution.
So we started to salvage wrecks from the bottom of the sea.
Jag har propellerna gått i helsike. Förmodligen har propelleraxeln också gått.
Så kan vi mäta och se så att det är grejerna som passar som vi har på båten som är bra.
Everything separates.
Then we can recycle all the materials.
The plastic, the metallic, the parts that we're gonna use again. I think it was a lot of people who wanted us to fail. It took us 4 years, I think, to get the respect. Now they're starting to listen. It was really magical to be a child in the archipelago. We wanted to do this to preserve the memories that we had when we were kids. I think now we are starting to realize that we have come far in our goal. But this is only the beginning.